We are boarding the speed boat going from Koh Phi Phi to Phuket, Ratchada Harbor. So it's the boat right here. We got 4 super engine, 250 horsepower, so like 1,000 horsepower. We got another one ready to go. That's called the Koh Yao. The big ferries for the cargo stuff. Double the time, so this one take about 40 minutes to go to Phuket from Koh Phi Phi. That one probably take like 4 hours to go over there. So depends on how big the boat is. And how many engines also. So some have 2 engines, some have 3 engines. This one has 4 engines, so it should be really fast. So right now it's almost 1 p.m. Every 30 minutes they have a boat, speedboat going to Phuket and Krabi. This one is fast, 4 engines.
Yes.
The other one only 3 engine and smaller engine. This big engine, really fast.
Here we only 3.
Yeah, the big one 4
A
engines.
lot of
Noisy.
yes.
It's okay. Only sometimes, if every day bad, but only once in a while. Okay. Just like flying airplane.